Hi, it's Chuck from Evergreen Mobile Power. If you're watching this, you're probably a customer, and we thank you for that, or maybe you're a prospective customer, and we look forward to working with you in the future on adding the JuiceBox to your rental fleet, or maybe it's in your construction site, or whatever it is application that you have for it. But today we're going to take the opportunity to go around every aspect of the machine and just show you the different systems and how they work together. The JuiceBox is really easy to service. I think you're going to find that it's easier to work on than a lot of machines out there today. Certainly easier than anything diesel powered. So we're going to go through every aspect, give you an opportunity to see the kind of inner workings of how the JuiceBox does what it does. We're going to cover that and make it in an easy format for you to go back and watch again and again, or as you add new people or whatever works for your situation. But thanks again for watching. Thanks for being our customer, and we look forward to turning off more diesel engines with you.